Hello darlings, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if I subscribe, thank you for doing that. Thank you all for your love and your support. And today's tutorial will be learning how to make this ruffle threading turban made with satin. I use doll face. I use 1.5 doll face. So I have videos on how to make ruffles on my YouTube channel. Just check out my previous video and check my previous video on how to make the cap. I have the turban cap on it. Just check non-stretchy material. I'll so let's get started. So our material needed for this, we'll be needing our avoiding so this. Just check my videos, my previous video on how to make a not stretching materials with satin. So and this is the ruffle part. We need our needle and thread, our tape rule, the sewing machine, our glass, our stone, and this is ruffle part. I use 10 inches. I used 10 inches by 60 inches, 10 inches by 51 inches. So I joined the two together. So I joined the 60 inches plus the 51 inches. I join it together. Then after I join it together, I'm going to sew it down. You sew it down. If you are a beginner, if you are new on this channel, just check my previous videos. I have videos on how to make a ruffle turban, so you're going to check how I'm going to join it. And then the second one is going to be giving us 51 inches. The first one was, again, I'll repeat myself again, the first one is 60 inches by 10 inches. So that's the longest is going to be 60 inches and the wideness is going to be 10 inches. So then I have another 51 inches by 10 inches. So I've already sewed it and I'm going to turn it out. I'm going to use the scissors to turn it out because it's so long. I'll use my scissors to turn this out. Just what I'm doing, so easy to do. So you keep doing that, you turn this out with your scissors. If you have a long pencil, you can make use of it. Just make use of what you can do. Oh, I don't know how I'm going to put it. Just make sure you turn it out. Just make sure you turn it out, whatever you want to use to turn it out. So this is what I'll be doing now. I'm still turning it out because it's so long when you had 60 plus 51 inches. So I've already turned this out. And just look at this. I've turned it out, and this is the rope, and I'll be putting this rope inside. You can easily get your office pin to make it easier for you, but I prefer using my hand to pull it out. So I have 50 inches long. Make sure it's so long, 50 inches long. They just see it. I'm going to pull this in now. So I'm going to put this in now. I'm pulling this in. Just see what I'm doing. You keep doing that. Make sure you are tracing your hand with the rope. If you are beginners and you can make use of an office pin, you can use the pin, the safety pin, just to pull it out. Just make sure the rope is inside, and you're going to pull the rope out. You keep doing this till you get to the last place. Just see what I'm doing. So easy to do. So just see what I'm doing. Just make sure you trace this out. So you keep doing that. Just see what I'm doing. You keep doing that with your hand or with your office pin. Then you pull this out. So I've already pulled it out. I've already pulled out. So the next I'll be doing, I'll be forming my ruffles part. The ruffle is coming out. Just see, I'll be using my hand to form the ruffle. I'll be pulling out the long rope, then the second hand I will be forming the ruffle part. So I want to make it a side ruffle and a full side ruffle. It's going to give me a full side ruffle. So just see what I'm doing. You keep doing that. You make sure your ruffle is so balance. So just see what I'm doing. You keep doing that. And next we'll be doing right now is we're going to fold that part and sew on the sewing machine. You can use a needle and thread to sew that part. You sew, you close that part, and before you close that part, you take it to your turban body and fix it before you close the second part. So just see it, I've already closed that part. I've already sewed that part on my sewing machine. You can use your needle and thread, just depend on what is going to be easy for you. Just do what is going to be easy for you. So just what I'm doing, so easy to do. So I'll be taking this to my turban body. So I'm going to place the ruffle. You're going to start from the center of the turban. Let's say the middle of the turban. You can start from the center of the turban and down to the last place. So I make use of hot glue. I use my hot glue. Then after using my hot glue, then I use my needle and thread to sew it down. Yes, you're going to use your hot glue to just drop. So I'm done with it, and I've already used my hot glue to do that part. So just see what I'm doing. So the next thing I'll be doing, I'm going to be tacking. I'll be sewing it. I'll start from the center, from the middle, just tack it in like 6 to 8 places, so it's not going to later remove. And the next thing we'll be doing now is embellishing. This is embellishing. You're going to use your glass stone. I'll be using my glass stone. I'll be using my small stone too. This is the glass stone. The glass stone is called tacky stone. When you get to where you're going to buy material, just tell them you want to buy a tacky stone. It has the four corner like this. It has round. Just depend on the shape you want. So I'll tack. I'll sew. Can you see I've sewed that place? I sew that place. I sew that place. I sew that place, and I go to the back. I sew it. I sew it in almost 8 places, and I make sure the sewing is so neat. So that is the finishing look part, guys. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. So share my videos. See, that is the finishing look part. That's the finishing look part. So just look at this. It's so beautiful. I love this, so beautiful, and that is it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to keep supporting House of Menah. Team House of Menah, and I love you so much. So that is it. I have to zoom it and again so that you can see it. So that is it, guys. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family, and don't forget to keep supporting House of Menah. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like. And guys, I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. So I'll be dropping videos almost every day. So bye, see you.